Hi! In this video, I'm going to show you how to access 1xBet from anywhere in the world. As you may already know, 1xBet is blocked in several countries. If you're in one of these countries and try to access the site, you'll see an error message like this one. So, how do you unblock 1xBet? The answer can be summed up in 3 letters: VPN. A VPN is an app that lets you change your IP address, which means you can also change your virtual location. Once it's activated, your internet connection is routed through a server located in another country. Personally, I use NordVPN. There are many countries available, such as Canada, Germany, Argentina, places where 1xBet is accessible. Let's take Canada as an example. It's connecting. And that's it. I'm now connected to the internet virtually from Canada. If I go to this page, you can see that I now have a Canadian IP address. Now all you have to do is refresh the page and you will be able to access 1xBet. From there, you can log in or create an account if you don't have one yet and start using the platform. I showed you how to do this on a computer, but it works exactly the same way on a smartphone or tablet. The iOS and Android apps are very similar. As you've seen, to unblock 1xBet, you'll need a VPN. If you'd like to try NordVPN, go to vpnfolio.com/nord or click the link below this video. It's one of the most popular VPNs on the market. It's fast, secure, and has over 8,900 servers in 129 countries. It works on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android, and many other devices, and you can use it on multiple devices at the same time. Most importantly, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try the service completely risk-free. If NordVPN isn't the right fit for you, you can also check out Proton VPN, which is another excellent option for accessing 1xBet from anywhere. Proton VPN is a secure, fast, and reliable VPN with over 18,000 servers in 129 countries. Like NordVPN, it's very affordable and also offers a money-back guarantee, so you can test the service without any risk. To try it, visit vpnfolio.com/proton or click the link in the description. That's it for today. Now you know how to access 1xBet from anywhere in the world. As you can see, it's very simple. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and see you next time.